if you are a Keap provider or a Keap user and you're looking to send emails from your personal domain, that's how you will do it. Hey guys, Jesse here. I got another quick training for you. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to set up a DKIM record inside of your Keap / formerly known as InfusionSoft account. The quick and easy way to do this, and why it's important if you want to send out emails from your application and or send out bulk emails from the application itself. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jesse. I'm the lead designer at Razor Sharp Networks. For the past decade, we've been helping our clients automate their customer lifecycle and optimize their online environment. If you're a Keap application subscriber, this is going to be ideal for you if you're just going through this setup process. So I'm going to take you through it real quick in regards to a new client of ours, H2 Improves Health, a book offer that's online. We want to set up some automation and or follow-up sequences in regards to nurturing customers, leads, and people that sign up for the offers that we have on the actual website itself. So, hey there, Jesse here, and this is not a glitch. I paused your video for a brief announcement. First and foremost, you've been getting value out of this content. Do me a small favor, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it very much, and it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Let them know we know what it is that we're talking about. Secondly, if you'd like to get access to future trainings, go ahead and jump over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, set up notifications so you don't miss a single one. Lastly, all these videos are meant to be interactive, so if you have any questions about the content I'm sharing, good or bad, go ahead and meet me in the comments section and I'll get those handled for you. Now back to your video. I'll take you through that process, and the first thing that you're going to need to do is log into your Keap application and set up a user at the domain that you want to authenticate. This is one of the things that Keap does. So what I will do is we'll go ahead and invite Robert to the application itself. And then we will come into Keap, select the Action tab at the top left-hand side of the page. We're going to go to Marketing and then Settings. And then we'll come in here to, on the Quick Launch, go into Email Authentication. We're going to go ahead and add this domain. Because we have invited the user at this domain to the application, we actually get the ability to select the domain from the drop-down. So the first thing you're going to do is select the domain from the drop-down, and then you're going to want to make note and or copy these records. So for us, we utilize SiteGround for our underlying provider. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into SiteGround, and I am going to go to Domains and then DNS Zone Editor. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a CNAME, right? So what we want to do is copy the first value there. We're going to set this to 1 hour, and then we are going to copy the second value there. Those are the two values that are given to us through the Keap application. So we would enter in those values into our DNS Zone Editor. So I'll go ahead and create this record. Now this will take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours in order to propagate on the internet. So depending on where your host provider is in your DNS server, it may not authenticate immediately, but rest assured that if you've entered in these values correctly, what will happen is that will authenticate for you. So as you can see there, it already authenticated for us, which is something that is definitely a positive. So that's a quick and easy way in order to create a DKIM record inside of your Keap application. If you are a Keap provider or a Keap user and you're looking to send emails from your personal domain, that's how you will do it. So that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you found some value in that. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, meet me in the comments box and I'll get those handled for you. And other than that, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon.